Hello, welcome back to the channel. We are currently off the bat of Storm Arwen. Right now it's currently an amber warning for wind, so I thought what a great opportunity to do an audio test here at Sennheiser Castle. Stay tuned. Hello guys and welcome back. I would just like to note that everything in this video today is going to be filmed entirely on the GoPro, and everything that you hear is coming through the GoPro as well. So yes, even though I do have my Sennheiser Lapel on, which I normally clip on the GH5, which I can show you right now through my iPhone, I have got an adapter on the media mod. That's a nice backdrop, is it? And just clipped on like that. So that's the setup I have just now. Oh, there's a good thumbnail for you. So yeah, that's the setup I've got. So today I thought we would do an audio test today, just with the wind, just to see how the GoPro handles. Last night it was absolutely crazy weather. Trees have been blown down, houses have been damaged, people's roofs have blown off, people have died. It's very serious stuff here, and I had to go to the shops yesterday. So this is what the audio sounded like off the internal microphones on the GoPro in a red weather warning. How does it sound? Yeah, not that good, is it? So as you can hear, I don't know how this actually sounds, because this is just going right off the camera. So how does it sound? This is your opinion. So we're just going to get right underway just now. So while I've got the Sennheiser on, let's see how that sounds like. I'm currently using my jacket to block the wind, but it's one of those materials where it has that fabric sort of sound. So how does that sound? Obviously it doesn't matter where I point my camera, you're gonna hear absolutely everything. So here's how it sounds like from here. I'm using this sort of selfie stick right now, so I'm quite far away, but again, it doesn't matter because it's attached to me. So yeah, there we go. Okay, so now we are using the media mod with the windshield on. How does that sound? It's really windy just now. It's actually quite sore. It's that cold. The wind is blowing this direction. So if I do that, how does that sound? That's the castle behind me. If I'm behind the camera, how does that sound? It is really windy. I'm now going to point it towards the wind. How does that sound? Probably not that good. So yeah, that was with the windshield on the media mod. Woo, really okay, so this is with the windshield on, using the back microphone on the media mod. How does it sound? The wind is coming from this direction, and it's now coming from this direction. How does it sound when I'm talking from behind? Is it okay? Is it bad? I assume it's pretty bad. Oh my god. Okay, so that's the windshield off. How it looks. How do I sound? Probably sound awful. It's really windy just now. The wind's coming towards this direction. It's crossed off the tube of my eyes. Now the wind is coming directly into the microphone. I'm pointing it away from me. How does that actually sound? So that was with the microphone out the windshield on the back of the media mod. Probably sound awful. The wind is coming this direction. Now it's coming towards this way. How do I sound from the back of a really windy day? How does that sound? Probably awful. I'm now using the Rode microphone. It's just a cheapy little one. How does it sound? Is it coming into the frame? It's quite a long how does that sound with the dead cat on it? The wind is coming in this direction, and now the wind should be blowing directly into the microphone. If I'm talking away from it, how does that actually sound? Is it okay? Is it good? I could definitely see it there. You could probably fold it back, but I wouldn't say it's ideal. I'm going to guess and say it sounds not too bad, but yeah, I probably wouldn't be using it. This is now with the media mod off, so it's just using the internal microphones. How does that sound? It's still very windy. The wind's actually now blowing this direction, so how do I sound? If I point in this direction, how do I sound? If I point it away from me and film that, that's the snow coming in. How do I sound? Do I still sound okay, or is it bad? I personally think the quality of the internal microphones in the GoPro are actually really good, but after yesterday's performance, and, well, to be fair, it was 8 mile per hour winds, it was not the best, so I would definitely say that yeah, you need to get some audio if you're wanting to do this professionally. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, well, that is the snow coming on, as you can probably see. I think the snow can demonstrate how really windy it is. I'm back to the Sennheiser Lapel. It's absolutely freezing, it's so windy. Oh my god. Why did I decide to do this? Right. I'll maybe get a little shot here. Oh my god. Ah! Okay. Jeez. There's the castle, that's me clocking off. Please like and subscribe for more of these types of videos. Stay safe if you're in danger of this weather. Bye.